YouTube. I know it's probably been a while. Why the fuck does Nizzy look clapped? You're asking why these fucking fenders ashy. Roof. Well, it's been a good little minute now since you guys seen the car. Anyways, roof is peeling, wing is faded, pillars are faded. Nizzy is looking fucking clapped. No front bumper. Bumper's good. Bumper's right here. Freshly painted and good. Headlights are peeling like a bitch. Also, yeah, that fender is disgusting. Anyways, we got two fenders I got off of a used car on the car because one day I was aired out, turned the wheel, and didn't remember that I was aired out. Bent the fuck out of my OEM fenders that came on my car. So we got two good ones. They just need body work and a respray. But yeah, guys, this is the moment you and I have been waiting for to get back on the content. I have been sitting back and just diagnosing and fixing all little problems. Pretty much prep the car, running and driving perfect. Maintenance wise, 100%. Nismo is 100% again. In cylinder 1 was given the craziest misfire ever. We looked at the spark plugs. They weren't black in any way, but it was slightly bent, so it was giving the car the wrong fire in cylinder 1. That's why it was pretty much misfiring. So yeah, guys, next step is taking it to get painted. So Nizzy will be going in for paint and we'll be coming back out shortly. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. It's probably gonna be a couple weeks from now. You guys will see an update on what Nizzy is looking like after. YouTube, what is up, everybody? You see it. It's been a long time since you've seen Nizzy, man. But as you can tell, these are new fenders I put on the car. We are dropping Nizzy off to finally get resurrected. It's a little before. Yeah, you guys probably didn't even know Nizzy needed the paint job this bad. Nizzy is gonna get her full makeover out here in Orlando, Florida, with the best man. My boy get right every time. Nice little unboxing. We got the Koyo Rad and we got the Depot headlights, dark housings. Womp womp. Yeah, guys, she's back. It's been a long time coming, but the Nismo is finally back. We are 100% good. It's been a long fucking time. This car's been giving me nothing but headaches, issues, problems. We finally are back. I haven't been recording because I've just been trying to dial the car in. You know, I've been stuck with work. We not rich YouTubers like the rest of these people out here. Put some new heat tape. And if you guys, oh my God. Oh my God. Yep. Nizzy is back from paint. Yep. We got Nizzy fully restored. We got the whole car resprayed. Shout out to my man Romaine in Winter Garden, Orlando, Florida. We got new headlights. We got new depot headlights. Still got the old ones with the white shrouds. But I told myself realistically all the tabs and stuff was broken. If I'm going to get a new paint job, I might as well get new headlights. We got new eyelids. The whole works, man. Just really look at that. Sparkle, boy. If you guys are wondering, this is not jet black. The Z's come in two different blacks. We got jet black and then we got magnetic black pearl. This is G41, and we also got the grays resprayed. Oh my Jesus Christ. It's just so beautiful now. Like, the car is sparkling, glistening. Every time I go somewhere, yo, this paint is amazing. People tell me, yo, this paint looks beautiful. I'm like, yeah, I just got the car resprayed. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's been about like 2 weeks since we got the car painted, restored, new headlights, cleaned up the engine bay. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But as you could tell, whoa, why does the front look so dark? We got tints restored on the car, pretty much tinted the car. We had sides already done in the back, but this time we went with a fresh new sheet on the front. I think it's 30% on the front, where you can still kind of like, on camera it's really dark, but in person you can still see through it a little bit. Nice and dark, so the cabin stays nice and cool. We did the side, the little ones, also put a new little sticker, little web, whatever, and we did the rear as well. And yeah, man, car's still shining. Definitely need to get the car detailed and then probably ceramic coated, but your boy's broke, as you could tell. Got my clean rig over there. Just removed the bed. Don't really talk too much content on the trucks because, you know, I know you guys are more fans of the cars, but just want to show you my new little rig. Also got those two bad boys, 2020 and FX45. But yeah, man, just picked up this rig as well. Nice little F250s. Pretty much, if you guys didn't know, I do auction work. I get trucks, buy them, clean them up, sell them. Everything was ashy. Now god damn it. Guess I cleaned it and it got back ashy. But manifold was like whitish and ashy. Ended up putting like this oil thing I heard about that you put on this, make all the stuff nice and dark and really dark and black. Yeah, we cleaned up the engine bay, cleaned up all the, you know, leftover residue oil on the shit. Couldn't really clean all that. I don't know, that's like stained on the block. Like I said, trying to get Nizzy back up to par so we can start hitting meets, start going outside again, start enjoying the car. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. Let me know what you guys think on the restore of Nizzy. New headlights, new paint job, new eyelids, fresh engine bay, fresh interior. And yeah, I think the next thing, new tints, can't forget that if I didn't say that. Next thing I think we're going to be doing is probably throwing on some new wheels and tires. Comment down below if you guys want to see any type of content. I'll put it into consideration and drop some vids. Love y'all. Peace.